everyone. Today we are going to start a new topic on subject maths. Yesterday, as we have learned the topic about angles, the next part of the angles are the triangles. Okay, so what were the angles? Where the two lines, when we join the two lines, it was formed as an angle. Now, when we join the three lines, we form a triangle. So, what is a triangle? What is the figure of triangle? So, let us see our new topic, that is triangle. Okay. So, the name itself gives us a meaning of the three angles or the three sides. See here, tri and angles. Tri means three. Okay, and angles we have learned yesterday. We have seen that angles means lines which when two lines join each other, the angle is formed. The figure which contains three angles or the three sides is called as a triangle. The basic figure here we can see a triangle. Here we can see triangle length A, B and C. As we have seen in the previous, the basic concepts in geometry, there are collinear points and collinear and non-collinear points. Okay, what are the collinear points? The points which come in one line are called as collinear points, and the points which do not come in one line are called as non-collinear points. So, if we join these three non-collinear points, we get the figure called as triangle. Okay, the figure name is triangle. Yes, we have seen in the planes that this is the plane figure. Okay, triangle is also called as a plane figure. Okay. Now we will see the properties of triangles. What are the properties? We know that here there are three sides. Okay, this one, this and this. How many sides? Three sides. Okay. Now yesterday we have seen that angles. Okay, so how many angles are there in this triangle? See, here the two lines join and we get the angle. Okay, here the second angle, this the third one. Okay, so three sides and three angles. These together form as a triangle. Now, how you will name a triangle? Yes, every part, every figure of in the mathematics, there is something specification or it is named by a specific name. Okay, as we have the name, the figure also has the name. आपल्याला माहिती आहे की जसं आपल्याला नाव दिलेलं आहे तसंच कोणत्याही फिगरला कोणत्याही पार्टला एक नाव दिलेलं असतं. बरोबर, मग हिचं नेम कसं देणार? ठीक आहे, हा ट्रायंगल आहे, आपण माणूस आहे, आपल्याला माहिती आहे, मी पण माणूस आहे, तुम्ही पण माणूस आहे. बरोबर, मला काहीतरी नाव आहे की नाही, मला एक स्पेसिफिक नाव दिले. तसं या ट्रायंगलला नाव काय असणार आहे? ट्रायंगल ABC. मग लिहायचं कसं? How you will write the name of triangle? So here draw a small triangle and in front of that write the triangle name, that is A, B and C. Okay, here we have seen how to write the name of the triangle, that is triangle ABC. Then what are the sides of the angle? Okay, which are the sides? Yes, first we will write side AB. Okay, first line we will write side AB. The next part side BC. Okay, so side BC. The third side is AC, so we will write here side AC. Okay, we have seen three sides. Now we have to see the three angles of this triangle. Then what are the angles? Okay, so how we will write which angle is going to measure, which we are going to measure, that angle, that alphabet should come in middle of it. Okay, while writing the angle, the part where the two lines are joined should come in the middle. त्या दोन्ही लाइन्स जिथं जॉइन होतात तो अल्फाबेट काय झाला पाहिजे, मध्ये आला पाहिजे. मग समजा आम्हाला पहिल्यांदा कुठला हा अँगल घ्यायचा, पहिल्यांदा काय असणार आहे इथं बी. मग त्याच्या एका साइडचं नाव एका आणि दुसऱ्या साइडचं, पहिल्यांदा एका साइडचं त्याच्या पुढे दुसरी साइड. ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल राइट द मिडल, in the middle the alphabet where the two lines join, and the 2 points of the 2 ends of that angle should write on the either sides of that alphabet. So of this angle we have got angle ABC. So next for angle C, okay, we will see this C, we will write the C in the middle and B and A on the either sides of the that alphabet. Okay, and the third angle, what will be the third angle? The third angle will be CAB. Okay, yes, we have got the three angles and the three sides of this triangle. Okay, so you can write in your book, take any triangle, okay, draw a small triangle, okay, name it by any name, any of your like alphabets, okay, and write the sides and these angles of that triangle. Okay, these are the some properties of the triangle we have seen. Now we have to see the parts or the different types of triangles. Okay, according to the properties of sides and angles, the triangles are also divided into the types of depending upon sides and angles. Sides च्या वरून पण वेगवेगळे आहेत ट्रायंगल्स आहेत आणि एंगल्स च्या वरून पण वेगवेगळे ट्रायंगल्स आहेत. ओके, पहिल्यांदा आपण बघूया साइड्स. ओके, ट्रायंगल आपल्याला माहिती आहे, ट्रायंगल म्हणजे काय, 3 साइड्स. ओके, ज्यावेळेस 3 साइड्स वेगवेगळ्या लेंथ असते. ओके, P Q, when the 3 sides are of different measures. Okay, all the 3 sides, side PQ, side QR and side PR are of different measures. म्हणजे त्यांची लेंथ जर डिफरंट असेल तर त्याला आपण कोणता ट्रायंगल म्हणणार आहे, स्केलर ट्रायंगल. ओके, फर्स्ट आपण काय बघितलं, 3 different types, 3 different lengths of the triangle, then it is called as the scalar triangle. When the 2 sides are same, then we call it as a, what do we call? We call it as a isosceles triangle. Okay, do you understand? See here, the first triangle with all different measurements, we call it as a scalar triangle. The triangle with 2 sides common, we call it as a isosceles triangle. And the third one, all the sides are same, then we call it as a equilateral triangle. The name itself gives as the meaning. Equi means equal, lateral means these lines, and the triangle. All the 3 sides are equal, then it is called as a equilateral triangle. Okay. Now see, the basic part of this 3 types of triangles are scalar triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangle. Okay, now do you know what is the measurement of the triangle? Okay, what is the measurement of triangle? Whole triangle. If we add all these triangles, जेव्हा आपण हे तिन्ही angles measure करणार आहे, add करणार आहे, त्यावेळेस त्याची टोटल किती असते? नेहमी लक्षात ठेवा 180 डिग्री. ओके, जर 180 पेक्षा पुढे जात असेल तर तो ट्रायंगल आहे का? नाही. If the measure of angles, addition of measure of angles goes above the 180, then it is not a triangle. Okay, the measure of triangle is always 180 degree. Okay, so in this what it will be? Different types. Okay, different angles. In the isosceles triangle, okay, the two angles will be same and the one will be different. And in equilateral, all these angles will also be same. Okay, if it is same, then 180 divided by 3, so it becomes 60. All these angles will be of measurement 60 degree. This is the basic part. We'll see in the front, but you have to remember now that what are the types of triangle depending upon these sides. Okay, first is scalar triangle, isosceles triangle, and equilateral triangle. So you are going to write in your you are going to draw in your notebook all these triangles, name it. Okay, write down the sides, write down their angles. Okay, this will be your homework. Now we are going to see the next part depending upon angles. So now depending upon the angles, the triangles are divided into 3 types. Okay, so first go into these triangles. Just remember, yesterday we have seen the types of angles. Okay, first was the zero angle, so there is no use. The second was the acute angle. Okay, what is that acute angle? When the angle is less than 90 degree, then it is called as acute angle. So our first triangle will also depend upon that all the angles when they are less than 90, then it is called as a acute angle triangle. Okay, so see, the first type is triangle ABC. In this we can see that all the angles are less than 90 degree, means all these angles are acute angles. Therefore we call it as acute angle triangle. Okay, now again after the acute angle, what we have seen? We have seen the right angle. Okay, so when a triangle has 190 degree angle, means one right angle. Okay, you know that what is the right angle? When the measurement of angle is 90, then it is called as right angle. So if one also angle is 90, then that triangle will be right angle triangle. What is the name? Right angle triangle. Okay, now the third part, when there is one obtuse angle. Okay, what is obtuse angle? The angle measure of angle which is greater than 90 degree, then we call it as a obtuse angle. Okay, जेव्हा 90 डिग्री पेक्षा मोठा अँगल असतो त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? ऑब्ट्यूस अँगल. ओके, मग एक जरी ट्रायंगल मध्ये ऑब्ट्यूस अँगल असला, समजा अशा टाइप मध्ये एक ऑब्ट्यूस अँगल आहे. ओके, x y and z. Okay, हे दोन काय आहेत? What of these two angles? These one are acute angles, but one of these angle is obtuse angle. Therefore, we call it as obtuse angle triangle. Okay, do everyone understand this? These three types are depending upon angles. Okay, the first was depending upon sides, which were there. First was scalene triangle, then isosceles triangle, then equilateral triangle. Now here, depending upon the angle, we have seen these angles yesterday. Okay, name types of angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Depending upon that, the triangle are also named as acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. Okay, do everyone understand this? You have to revise this 10 to 10. Okay, all students should be concentrated here. These triangles, names of triangles, types of triangles are very important to you everyone. Okay, our next topic will be on quadrilaterals. Okay, tomorrow we will see this next point on quadrilaterals. We have first seen the angles, now triangles, then tomorrow we will see the quadrilaterals. Okay, if any doubt, please comment. Please write your doubt in the comment. I will guide you personally. Okay, if you have to, my contact number is given in our first class introduction video. So please contact my number. I will guide you personally. If you need doubt, please clear your doubt from time to time. Don't be afraid of asking any questions, asking any doubts. Okay, be frankly, be freely. I will also guide you freely. Okay, if you have to if any problem, please ask me. Please clear all your problems. Okay.